Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I would like to show you how to steam milk with this Pebbles Espresso maker. To steam milk, we would need a jug like this. This kind of jug is very useful for milk steaming, so it usually comes in different sizes. This little one is 350 milliliter jug. It's generally used for single drink servings like cappuccino, latte, flat white. This bigger one is 600 milliliter jug, which is more used for multiple drink servings. So this time we will use this jug to steam. When you choose the jug and before you pour in milk into it, you might wonder, how much milk should I pour in? Well, the answer is, use the spout as a reference. Always fill the jug to the bottom of the spout. This is a very good volume and size for this kind of jug to steam, because it gives enough space for the milk to expand, and it's also deep enough for the steam to kick in and swirl. Alright. It's always recommended to use cold milk for steaming, because cold milk gives you more time to stretch and texture the milk. Alright, take a look. The milk surface is right at the bottom of the spout. This is a perfect size, perfect volume of the milk. Now let's get the machine ready for steaming. I just used this machine a couple minutes ago, so you can see the indicator is solid. It means the machine is still hot, it's ready for steaming. Before steaming, we need to purge the steam wand first. Use an empty jug and put it under the steam wand and turn the knob all the way down to purge the steam wand. Turn it off. Okay, now we are about to steam milk, so we need to move the machine forward a little bit and adjust the steam wand a little bit to get ourselves a good position, and then use the spout as an anchor point. See? And put the tip of the steam wand right below the surface of the milk. Okay, and the tip of the steam wand should be around 1 centimeter away from the sidewall. Okay, the key point here is to make sure the hole on the nozzle of the steam wand is just below the surface of the milk. So at the beginning, you might hear this sharp noise. Don't worry. Slowly lower the pitcher. The noise will turn into smooth hissing noise. This kind of noise means the frosting is going on. As the milk level rises, slowly move down the pitcher to keep it frosted. Keep the frosting going all the time. When the milk foam is the volume you wanted, submerge the tip into the milk. This will stop frothing but keep the milk heating. Use a hand to touch the surface when the jug is warm enough, turn it off. Use a wet cloth to clean the steam wand right away, and purge it right away. Okay. And shake the jug a little bit. Now you can see the milk is frosted, is steamed, and you can see the shiny, smoothie surface of the milk. It's definitely good microfoam milk. This is it. Thank you for watching. Bye.